Got a minute? Let's talk about how to prepare your home for winter weather. Sometimes Texas gets hit by winter storms that can freeze pipes and cause costly water damage. Here's what to do before winter to help prevent damage. For inside your home, seal leaks or cracks around bathroom and kitchen pipes. Wrap any exposed pipes in unheated areas. Check your attic insulation. Get your heater checked and have your chimney cleaned and inspected. Test your carbon monoxide and smoke alarms. Stock up on water, non-perishable food, and batteries for your flashlights, just in case the power goes out. To prevent fires, never plug space heaters into extension cords or surge protectors, and make sure you have a working fire extinguisher. For outside your home, trim any tree branches hanging over your house or car. Clean out the gutters and get faucet covers to use when it freezes. Ask your insurance agent if your home or renter's policy covers sudden and accidental water damage. Some policies might not. And flood insurance doesn't cover water damage from frozen pipes. If you have questions about insurance, call our helpline or visit our website.